Hey guys and goddesses, Whitney here, and welcome back to my channel. This is Moments with Whit, and I am Whit, and today I'm coming to you guys with a few things that were my favorite in the last month, and I hope you guys enjoy that. If you're interested in seeing my favorite things for the last month, just keep on watching, and yeah, let's just get into the video. The first thing that I want to start off with is, this is not a new product by any means, but it's kind of, I've had this since Christmas, but I haven't really used it as much. It is the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask, and it's so minty. I wish you could smell it. It's like, it looks like it has charcoal in it, but it's so minty. It's meant to minimize pores and I believe lift dead skin. It's been really cold in New York. We are in April, but we had like snow and then rain and then snow and then cold, and it was like 30 degrees and 40 degrees, and we just finally got into like the 60s, and like supposedly this week we're gonna have some 70s, which I can't wait for. So my skin was really reacting to that. Like, it was dry and flaking and just dead. It was not giving me, it wasn't giving me nothing. I wasn't wearing any makeup in the last month because I wanted to see like what really was affecting my skin. So today is like the first day that I actually put on some foundation and a lip and gave y'all a little bit of a look, because before then it was just like, let's just brush my eyebrows, call it a day. These next few products also has helped me get my skin going into the right direction. So let's just keep on rolling with that. The next thing that I have is another mask. It is the Origins Ginseng Peel Off Mask to refine and refresh. It says, our refreshing peel off mask fortified with coffee beans, Panax ginseng, and our gentle fruit acid complex helps lift away dull dead skin and dirt while refining pores. It makes your skin look smoother, refresh, and pores snap back into shape. So I don't really have like super wide pores, but I like to keep it that way. Also, I feel like this mask more than this one helped with, I sometimes get like dry patches. If I'm stressed, I get stress rashes from time to time, and I feel like this mask has helped that. Get into your Origins skincare line. My next favorite, and you could tell like I'm really almost done with this, it's the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. It's 5% glycolic acid, and it is an exfoliating toner. And I've had this for a while. Someone told me, I forget who it was, but they told me that it was better than witch hazel, which I hadn't used in a long time. I do have hyperpigmentation, and I've also seen a few people with hyperpigmentation use the Pixi Glow Tonic to help with that as well. But it has been making my skin feel a lot better and glow a bit more. I don't know if it's necessarily helping with the hyperpigmentation though, but the glow, you get a nice natural glow when I use this. So yeah, get into the Pixi. It's pretty good. My last cosmetic situation, I'm currently wearing, can you guess what it is? It's Fenty Uncensored. I've had this for so long. Well, I've had it since the release date. When did it come out? In Thanksgiving? I think it came out like the day after Thanksgiving. But like I said recently, since I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup or like doing much, but just doing some lashes or like putting on mascara, not even doing lashes. Today was like the first day that I like tried to put my lashes on, which I still haven't mastered. But we're not gonna talk about that. We are not gonna talk about that because I look good. Days where I just don't feel like putting on like a foundation or anything, I would put on a lip, maybe brush my brows, like fill them in really quickly, and put on a lip and go. And I say like Fenty Uncensored, this really is for all girls, and it will make you just like, it'll pull and elevate your steez from like here to like up there, like off the charts type situation, especially if you're not in the mood to like get dressed and get done up and stuff like that. I say always have a good red lip. This is my favorite. This is not necessarily in the cosmetics situation, but it does have to do with like my health and your glow and like the melanin. So I have been taking vitamin D3 tablets. I'm not one to be like, I need to take a pill every day, but these, if you get it in the 2000 IU, which I got, you can take it every other day. We really lack the vitamin D that we need, and we aren't getting enough, especially like with the seasons deciding to not be the actual seasons that they are. So yeah, I'd advise people, get your vitamin D or your probiotics or whatever you feel like helps you, but these have really been helping a lot. Let's get into the last couple things. If you guys did not know, which I feel like I've mentioned before, I am a writer. I enjoy writing. I enjoy writing poetry more specifically, or I also like short stories and such. But my first love when I started writing was poetry. I haven't read before now. I hadn't read a good book in like 2 years. I just wasn't finding books that, I couldn't find books that were speaking to me or like giving me what I needed, especially in the time that I needed it. So I was there at the bookstore, and a girl saw me pick up a different book, a different poetry book, and she walked up to me and was like, hey, if you like that book, you'd love this book. So she handed me this book and she's like, hey, there's a poem in here about Cardi B. And I was like, oh, I want to check it out. So I did, and then I was like, oh, bet, I'm buying it. And it was only $3. It was $3 hairs. It was $3.75 USA. I purchased Americana. I'll insert a picture here somewhere. And you guys, the book is so necessary. Like, I don't want it to end. It's such a good book. So yeah, that author, I do not want to mispronounce her name, but she's amazing. My last two things are footwear. I was gonna do a spring hauls video, but like now I think I'm just gonna transition and do a summer video because spring is just not doing it for me. Sneakers. Yeah, these babies right here. They are a spring trend. They are gonna be a summer trend, I'm sure. They are reminiscent of the Balenciaga dad chunky shoe that everyone is rocking, but those are mad bread. I believe they're like $850 or $1,200 or some outrageous amount, which I'm glad that that's feasible for some folk, but it's not feasible for your girl. I got these ones from Ego Official. Ego Official held it down. These were like $50, I want to say. Yeah, they're like 50 bucks. So I got those instead. My boyfriend got them for me, but love them. My last favorite that I know I'm going to wear out, that I literally got in the mail today, are these babies. Ugh. Listen, if you want to get into the chunky sneaker trend, you listen, save your coin and go on. Well, these I got from Boohoo. Like, they have the shocks on the bottom. These are so much more comfortable. I mean, they're more comfortable than the Ego Official ones. I'm not gonna front. And they were, guess how much, guys? 29 bucks. $29, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna get sued soon, but they're getting them off the website and I'm not mad at them. So I just got these in the mail today. They were $29. I think my total order was like $35.04 after like shipping and everything. But yeah, I have massive feet, but they're comfortable, they look great on, and you could throw them on with a dress or you could throw them on with sweatpants and still look steezy. So that's all for my April favorites. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Click that notification bell down below to see all my new uploads, because we know algorithms ain't nothing. Thank you guys again for coming to my channel. Stay beautiful and stay blessed.